Hey guys, once again, it's been a long time since I've uploaded the video. I thought I might help people out there who wants to make a purchase of shoes. So I'd like to show you my sneaker collection. First, I've been trying to lose some weight these past few months, and I needed something to use in the gym. First, I bought this one, a Nike Tanjun. Yeah. So Tanjun comes from a Japanese word, they say, and it means simple. So I've used this for running in the gym, and it actually works well. Uh, but I've noticed that it does not hold your feet firmly when you run. So, uh, but still, it's okay for running. But I suggest get something like this one. This is an Adidas Solar Drive with Boost. So I've got this on a sale, so I can't complain about the color. I just got this for 3,180 pesos. So it's actually have the Boost sole, so it's very comfortable in running. Uh, and I've used this ever since I bought this. This is the one I use now in the gym. So what I've noticed is sometimes it gets hot. So if you use it in the gym, uh, that would be too long. So I suggest if you want to use something the whole day, this one is more comfortable going to your work or going to the mall for daily use. This is very much comfortable than this one. But if you want to run, I suggest this is a better shoe for running. So this one I bought for 2005, a little more. So it is really a good value for a shoe. And this one also, this actually retails at 5,300, but I got it in a sale 3,180. So I can't complain about the color. See, again, another one I'm using is the Merrell Maipo. So this one is also very comfortable shoe for daily use, and it is best for hiking. So I've tried this, using this in climbing to Mansiga in Bukhari, and it never failed me. And uh, this one is very durable, does not get scratched, so easy to clean after using in a mountain hike. And you can also cross rivers with this, since it easily dries up. Very light and breathable. So I love this shoe. Actually, this is already my fourth pair. So I have another one here, another color. See? So actually, this is the third pair. The first and the second I already disposed, since I've used it a lot, and it's already retired. So those are my daily shoe. And I also have something given to me by my brother. This is a K-Swiss white classic. So when when you like to go night out, this is the best shoe. So for also very comfortable, and uh, it's white, so you have to clean it after using it. So it's also very durable. So this is the K-Swiss. And I also have something here I bought from SM. This is a Milano. I got it on a sale, so it's only 700 pesos, but it's very durable actually. I've worn this during rainy seasons, and it stands for its price. See? Very good shoes also from Milan. So that's it. I hope I have helped you guys. Please do subscribe, and so that I can upload more videos to come. I have actually ordered something from Lazada, which is an OEM of Nike. So I'll be posting it as soon as it arrives. So I do hope you subscribe. See ya.